What is the command to create a disk group? This is the disk group I said. What is the command to create a disk group? Vx?
Disk group.
Yeah.
Disk group.
No.
Disk
Vx.
setup, disk
Where's
group.
disk, right?
No. Vx. Vx is the first, right? Vx then?
Create.
No.
Disk
I
setup.
don't know
disk
that
group.
class. Vxdg.
DG.
So create a disk group Vxdg. Right? But you don't have to worry. You just say Vx and press tab twice. Then you will see most of the commands. Most of the commands or all of the commands depending on how you set up the system. Right? We'll come to that. Right? So Vxdg will help me to create what? Disk group. Vx disk setup will make me create a make a disk ready for Veritas. Make a disk make a disk ready for Veritas. Make a disk ready for Veritas. So I will say Vx disk setup, then it will be ready, then I add to that, then to create a disk group, Vxdg, and put that disk in that group. Right? If I want to destroy a disk group,
Destroy.
yeah, what is the command?
Vx destroy.
No, don't do all this.
So VX delete.
What are you destroying?
VX del,
You are destroying a disk group, right? So Vx disk dg
DG and del.
destroy.
Destroy.
And you have to put the disk group somewhere, okay? We will come to that, right? So you know how to destroy, right? How to create a volume?
VX.
That you don't know. How to make a volume? Okay, now I'm asking a different way. Vx make, see? If you want to make a volume, Vx make. Vx make. Okay? So like that, commands are very nice commands, very good commands, easy to remember, right? So we will go through these things in the computer now, okay? No question. But you will have dual boot also. Okay. So after doing that, I saved it. Then what I did, I went to colors. I want the background to be white. Then I said use system colors. Use system colors so that the background will be white. Then I go to appearance and I want to change the size of the fonts. Change bold 16 characters. 14, but today 16 is good because it's not wide, okay? So 16 characters I selected, then I said okay. Then I went to session, okay? Session I must go and I have to save it. Save. So now I will open. Don't change this port. I will open. If you are at home, you have to say uwinpro.mywinc.com. uwinpro.mywinc.com. I open, so I got this screen. Okay. So I will log in as myself. The nickname. Vasant is supposed to tell me how to solve this problem. Yeah.
Tell the password.
Tell the password.
You need the password?
But only one person knows the password.
Yeah.
So what's the solution for this?
Now we will.
Password.
Password?
Password.
Ah, yeah, for this, you don't need password for this.
We need such password
For which?
for login.
No. That login problem not because of Solaris, because of the network, that modem and it is not only for this machine. You try to log into any machine, you will have the same problem.
Okay.
Yeah. So now I had to create accounts for new people. So I have to create account, I had to switch user as super. So my password, you all don't have password for this. I told only one person in the world has this password. So I create the user. Okay, I don't see any user. So user add. I had to create a home directory so that you have a place to live. Home. And then, your name is Raymond, right? Raymond. Then I want to make the home directory right away. I make it right away and I give him a shell. He likes bash shell. And also I put him in a group called sys. And then I give his name. His name is Ray.
Give him a nickname.
Why confusion, right? So I had to give a password to him. So temporarily I am giving a password for you. You have to change it.
Oh, you
Okay,
can write.
Raymond. Right?
What is that? Loading option. What do you open? Oh, just try loading.
See my memory? This is your password. If I tell verbally, you will ask me 3 times, so I will put it up. Because sometimes you will ask me 3 times. But change the password. Huh? Everybody in the world knows. So I will give the same type of password, first 3 characters like that, right? Father's also. What is the second username? You have account, right? You have account? Is it you? No, you have account?
Oh, I don't have.
Oh, you don't have account. So Akil, right? Your name
Yes.
is Akil.
AQ.
Oh,
AQEA.
oh.
Sorry.
But other people are guessing your password, so change your password, please. Okay, so your username is Akil and your
Make a
phone
correction
number
with spelling.
No, you.
Not you.
Oh, no. If I want, I can use same different also, but I don't want to. There's nothing wrong in that. Right? So password for him. So other people know your password more than you.
Last one.
Last one.
One.
Yes.
One.
You want so many.
See the two.
Okay, so I created, for everybody I have login names and passwords, right? Okay. So now after I log in into, everybody has to, Raymond, everybody has to log into Solaris 23 first. You have account?
It's been a while as well.
Yeah, but what is your password? You don't know your password.
I don't.
What is your login name?
I think it was Blue, I think.
Are you sure?
share it. You can share like 4 or 5.
That is.
Sorry. Good thing, good,
Yeah,
good
good
thing.
thing, sure.
So password. So I'm giving the same type of password which everybody will know now. Okay. The outsiders can.
You are outsider.
Huh?
You are outsider.
You'll not get diploma certificate.
Why?
Who won't get? That's very bad, right? Okay, thank you for telling, then I will check again.
I'll get,
All this time I thought it's good.
I'll get degree certificate.
Huh? You think you're-
I'll get diploma.
Staying here day and night. Sleeps here.
Like,
We don't want. We have tried many times wrong, right?
Don,
Yes.
I meant to ask you, all the Solaris labs, can be done with a standard user account, it doesn't need
So you have to be doing that under your name.
okay,
Right.
but, it doesn't need an administrative level account, right? It can just
Yeah,
be a regular
if
account.
you need administrator, right, you log into another machine. Only for Solaris 23, you don't have root permission.
Okay,
Yeah, other machine, I'm going to show you now, right?
okay,
So I finish my work as root, then I have to immediately log out by pressing Control and D. Control and D will exit. Or I can type exit.
I just loaded the putty right now, so can you just go through the settings on that?
Putty settings?
Yeah,
Okay. So start putty,
yeah.
and then this is what I did. 192.168.0.223.
Oh, I don't
This
know.
is your computer or
Yes,
here?
my
But
computer.
if it is your computer, why don't you use here uWinPro dot right? You saw it? Yeah. The others will tell you. Open it. The only problem is, when I put it on auto recording, there's a head in front of the screen. It will automatically focus there. It won't be sharp. Can you just bend down a little? Come out from there for a minute. Then after I focus, then you can. For 1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah. Otherwise, it will be recording only your head. Yeah. I know that we will get a lot of information, but.
But again, if you put auto.
No, then I'll put it in manual. Yeah, now you can sit down. Now it's focused here. It has happened many times.
Yes, yes, give more.
Okay. So now I will log in here. I already logged in, right? So I have the screen already, right? So I logged in already. Now he asked a question. If he wants to practice as super user, where will you go and practice? Then I have to log into another machine. But how do I know the names of the machines in the network? And how do I know where they are? Somebody would have shut down that, right? So for that I type rusers -a. It will show all the machines in your network. So we have these machines in my network. But for today's lesson, you have to use Atlas. For today's lesson, you have to use Atlas. Okay?
why Atlas in particular?
Because Atlas only has Veritas installed.
Okay.
So now I have to SSH to, just SSH, right? SSH to Atlas, but you don't have an account, right? So you log in as me, first time, Don at Atlas. Okay? First time. Then after you log in, you create an account for yourself. Right? You have to create an account for yourself. Then only we know whether you are practicing or not practicing. Then log in as that. And what is the password?
No password yet.
Here only one password. One open boot. This is the password, huh? One open boot.
We are open history of post can't be established. We are done history of post can't be established.
Can you just turn?
Yeah,
Yes,
then-
yes, yes.
First thing, yes.
But in the workplace, don't say yes, yes like that very fast. Huh?
It will ask
You have to
you-
read it carefully before you say yes.
Yes, if you would say delete, complete a yes. That's it.
So you enter the password and then you are in the system. But if I type any command which is related to Veritas, will it work?